Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 27th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So on the US dollar yen, if this right here really is the end of a pullback, then this move up right here needs to be a pullback to this move down, meaning that this needs to make a lower high and continue down. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be the end of a correction right here. It could be more of a complex correction. It could go up to a higher Fibonacci level before it actually ends up going down. So, anyways, keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame because this is where we would want to have our Fibonacci retracement on this move down. If this right here is a pullback, which to me it definitely looks like an overlapping pattern, so it really does look like an ABC. If it does like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to either the 61 or the 78% fib, then it breaks structure to the downside. That's exactly what I would be looking for the end of a correction. Whether it happens at the 61% or the 78%, I don't really care. Now, the whole thing here is that we need to see a break of structure at a Fibonacci level. If it bounces like it did this morning and then doesn't break structure, goes up, bounces, doesn't break structure, then why would you go short? You would just enjoy this move up and you would just continue to look for longs every single chance you get until you do get the break of structure at a Fibonacci level, telling you to start looking for shorts again. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.